Are TikTok hashtags still important? Yes, but not in the way most people think. In 2025, hashtags don't magically make a video go viral. Instead, they help TikTok understand what your content is about, so the algorithm can push it to the right audience. Think of hashtags as labels for TikTok's recommendation system, not growth hacks. Using a mix of broad hashtags, hashtag TikTok Shop, hashtag FYP, and niche-specific hashtags, hashtag skincare products, hashtag #gym accessories, etc., helps the algorithm categorize your video accurately. This increases your chances of reaching people who are most likely to watch, engage, and buy. The right audience matters more than the largest audience. Hashtags also help TikTok Shop sellers because products tagged correctly are more likely to appear in the shopping feed, live shopping sessions, and related product recommendations. While hashtags alone won't make your content blow up, they can improve visibility and help you rank for trending product niches.